Hello everyone, it's me again, Miss Rosie, and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is just me having fun swimming with my dog Molly, and also let's find out if dogs really have its natural instinct if held above water.
Molly! First time niya maligo sa beach. We'll see.
Not all dogs
Kailangan
are born
nila
knowing how to swim, but they have the instinct to paddle when you hold them
tubig mo
above water.
kapay-kapay na daw.
So we'll see.
Kita ko no. Tinuod ba?
Okay.
Tinuod dyan. Tinuod kayo. Kapay-kapay na kayo. O pagani. O, tanawa. Kapay-kapay.
Before, I thought that all dogs can swim, but now I have learned that there are dogs that can swim, there are dogs that can swim but need help, and there are also dogs that really can't swim. They sink like rock. As for my dog Molly, she's a small breed, a sheepoo. There are lots of disadvantages when it comes to swimming that I should be thinking of. I'm not putting her too much pressure. We're just having fun. This is Molly's first swimming day. So as a dog owner, I make sure I take things slowly for her and to keep her in sight. I am really having a great time with Molly. Indeed, it's fun to go swimming with pet dogs. But if your dog seems not ready or afraid to go swimming, let's just respect them. And let us not force the dog to swim if it doesn't want to.
Balik. Tingnan na daw kung lagoy-lagoy sa iyo.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our swimming time with Molly. Till next episode. Bye bye. God bless.